Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Just a week ago, some of us clergy of the Archdiocese of Manila came home from our Jubilee pilgrimage in Italy and in the walls of Rome. And you know, for some of the travelers here, the usual enemy of coming home, jet lag. And in a way, medyo naka-adjust na po ako after almost a week. And if you'll be asking me how did I adjust or how I healed from jet lag, was not really to linger too much of what was or what is in Italy. Na sa Italia, mag-aalas 2 pa lang ng umaga doon. Dahil po nung mga unang beses kong napunta doon, masyado po akong naglinger doon, na aalas 2 pa lang doon. Dapat natutulog pa lang ako. Kaya inaantok ako habang narito ako. But what came as a healing to me and a lesson for me to adjust to time was to live the present moment. To tell myself that it is morning, you must be working, you must be saying Mass, you must be on a morning standard. You must be standing up, you must be awake, you must be doing things. Not what is happening there right now, sleeping and enjoying the night of sleep. But to live, cherish, and enjoy the present moment. That helped me adjust, or shall I say, that helped me heal from the jet lag that I've encountered. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, Jesus noted and gave a notification or notice to the crowds. They were good in predicting to what shall happen in the next, but they were not that good to interpret the present moment. And what was that present moment? Just a simple answer. That time of being with Jesus, listening to the Lord, learning from the Lord, being awakened to the invitations of Jesus. That moment to be with God was the present moment. At na-miss nilang bigyan ng pansin ang pagkakataon na iyon. While it is good to look forward and maybe to at least look backward, Jesus noted that it is also well and good to dwell on to the present moment. And maybe it is something that we need to challenge ourselves with, my dear brothers and sisters. That we might be always looking forward. Anong mangyayari bukas? Ano ang mangyayari sa akin sa mga susunod na panahon? Pero nandami pala nating pagkukulang sa ating mga ngayon. Mayroon pala dapat matutunan sa mga bagay na tinatayuan natin ngayon. Where we are now. Baka masyadong ang iba are going backwards to the point that we can not anymore move forward and even live the present moment. But Jesus is inviting all of us, live, cherish, and enjoy the present moment. There might be lessons, there might be disciplines, there might be new things, there might be realizations, there might be things that will lead us closer to God when we live the present moment. As it is good to look forward and recall, it is also better to live our today so that we can bear fruit from the things we have now and also have the things better and packed for us as we live our today, hoping for the best and also learning from our past.